All right, so we finished the JavaScript access. Now we try to do the app access, right? So we come to here. Probably close all the files, right? Close all the files. Alright, so we are in this directory, right? In the Lab01 here, we're going to create this, right? So npx create expo app, right? Hello. That's the name of the app, and remember to use this template blank. It takes a while to generate the project. Take a while. Okay, the project's create, right? So that's under the Hello1 app. So we can use npm start to run this. Oh, we need to enter this folder on npm start. Okay, it takes a while for the project started. Now you have the QR code if you want to use the physical mobile phone to test that. You install the go and scan this code, but must have your mobile phone and your computer in the same network, right? Otherwise, depends on what you have installed. If you have Android, you just type A, question mark, type the question mark, show all the options, A for Android, I for iOS. And also you can use W for the web, but of course you need to install extra package. Now we just use Android on my computer, right? I have already started my Android emulator, typing A, right? Android, and take a while to install the package. Okay. Okay, install that. Wait for this part pass. We can already see the splash window of this app. Okay, so that's the stream display here, and we can change this to save, and you can see it changed, right, as well. You can change to, if we put it here, right, hello, and testing, save, okay, automatic typing here, right? So this app is finished. Look at the exercise, create, hello, start. Now we need to put that into the gate, right? So we stop and say the dot, right? In our project folder, and we use git add dot, so add a new change into the git, and git commit, and initial, you type in the message, and the message is okay. Initial. Okay, all the file has been added to there, right? Okay, so that's package. And you can link this to your GitHub repository, right? We try to do that exercise as well. Come to here, we have GitHub. Okay, this one is my GitHub. Come to the home here and repository. You click new, right? Type in the name is hello maybe, yeah, just type in the name. Hello is available. Public, fine. If in your assignment you change this to private, but for this we just use public, it's fine. Create repository. Right, you have that part. You don't need to do this because you have already commit. You just doing the rest git branch. Branch, and we have git remote orange. So this connect, make your local and the remote one connected. Right, and the last one is to push. Okay, this push to upload the file into your GitHub repository. Now you check your GitHub repository, this one, right? Hello, go to hello. You can see the hello, we have hello, that is for the app, and also we have JS exercise. You can see the JS exercise, the questions is what we have done, right? Finished. And for the hello, we have the app.js here, hello testing, right? And also you compare this with what's in your local part. In your local one, you have node modules, right? And under the hello and under here, both of them have node modules. But in your GitHub part, you don't have node module because it's third-party library, not managed by your version control part. This can be installed by you using npm I to install npm install. Okay, right. That's all for that because it's public. If it's private, you go to the collaborator, right? Okay. All right. That's all for this week's lab. Thank you for watching. See you next time.